Welcome to another appliance for our kitchen remodel. This is the new Samsung side-by-side that we recently purchased. We have greatly enjoyed it so far. Currently it's in the side of the kitchen because this is you need to measure twice, cut once. We did not accommodate for the doors opening all the way, so we're having to do a little bit of tweaking to fit it in its space. But we have greatly enjoyed it. It has tons of storage space in the freezer. You have drawers, you have the ice maker on the door, you have some shelves and bins on the doors. I'm currently using them for ice packs for the kids for them to easily get for lunches every day now that we're going back to school. Also, the freezer has tons of storage space. The shelves are very deep. And you have tons of door shelves also, bins. I do wish the shelves on the doors I could move if I wanted to, but currently have had no problems with anything I put in there. It also is very easy to tell what the temperature is in the freezer and the fridge. It also has a cool blast so that if you had it open adding all the groceries from the day's run, you can push that real quick and everything stays nice and icy cold. We're also greatly enjoying how nice and sleek and clean the refrigerator looks with the no handles. So that's my lovely review. I hope you'll have a good night.